going on in India now. So stay home, stay safe. Then let's come to the point. Friends, today I will discuss about the international boundary lines of India and all the states that shares their borders with neighboring countries. Then without wasting your time, let's start. You can see that India shares its land border with 7 neighboring countries: Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh and Myanmar. Now let's see the India's boundary length with these countries in decreasing order. Bangladesh, length of border 4096.7 km, China 3488 km, Pakistan 3323 km, Nepal 1751 km, 5 Myanmar 1643 km, Bhutan 699 km and 7 Afghanistan 106 km. Total land border 15,106.7 km. Then India has total 15,106.7 km border length with these countries. There is no need to remember the border length of each country. If you can remember, it is good. But remember the border length of Bangladesh and Afghanistan, because it oftenly comes in various job exams that which country shares the longest border with India. Then the answer will be Bangladesh. Yes friends, Bangladesh and India shares 4096.7 km long international border. And which country shares the smallest border or the shortest border with India? Then the answer will be Afghanistan. Yes friends, there is just 106 km border length between India and Afghanistan. Now I will show you practically which state of India shares border with which country. We will start with Pakistan. Pakistan is bordered by India to the east. It lies in the northwestern direction of India. 4 Indian states, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Punjab and Jammu and Kashmir, share their borders with Pakistan. For your kind information, in present, Jammu and Kashmir is not a state, it is an union territory. Among of these 4 states, Jammu and Kashmir shares the longest border with Pakistan. It shares 1222 km border with Pakistan, and after that Rajasthan. It has 1170 km border length with Pakistan. And this boundary line between India and Pakistan was drawn by Sir Cyril Ratcliffe on 17th August in 1947 during the partition of India. Therefore, this international boundary line between India and Pakistan is called Ratcliffe Line. Now you are wondering, then what is LOC, the line of control? The line which separates Jammu and Kashmir of India from Azad Kashmir of Pakistan is called LOC, or the line of control. And for your kind information, Azad Kashmir of Pakistan is also known to us as POK, Pakistan Occupied Kashmir. The line of control, LOC, was formally established in the year 1972 after the Simla Agreement. LOC is 740 kilometers long between Pakistani and Indian control Jammu and Kashmir. Then friends, total border length between these countries is 3,323 kilometers. Border touching states Jammu Kashmir, Rajasthan, Gujarat and Punjab, and Jammu Kashmir shares longest border with Pakistan. Ratcliffe Line and LOC is the international border name. Ratcliffe Line was drawn by Sir Cyril Ratcliffe between India and Pakistan on 17th August in 1947 during the partition of India. And LOC, the line of control, separates Jammu and Kashmir of India from POK. This line was formally established in the year 1972 after the Simla Agreement. LOC is 740 km long. Now Afghanistan. Afghanistan shares the smallest or the shortest border with India. There is just 106 km border length between India and Afghanistan. Only Jammu and Kashmir touches Afghanistan border, but due to POK, India has no effective border with Afghanistan. It is very important for competitive exams that what is the name of international boundary line between Pakistan and Afghanistan. Then the answer will be Durand Line. Durand Line was drawn by Sir Mortimer Durand in the year 1896. Then friends, total length between India-Afghanistan border 106 km. India shares smallest border with Afghanistan. There is just 106 kilometers border length between India and Afghanistan. Only Jammu and Kashmir touches Afghanistan border, but due to POK, Pakistan occupied Kashmir, India has no effective border with Afghanistan. And Durand Line is the international boundary line between Pakistan and Afghanistan. Durand Line was drawn by Sir Mortimer Durand in the year 1896. Now China. China lies in the northeastern direction of India. India shares 3,488 kilometer border with China. 5 Indian states share their borders with China: Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim and Arunachal Pradesh. Jammu and Kashmir shares longest border with China. It has 1,596 kilometers border length with China. And after that Arunachal Pradesh, 1,126 kilometers. McMahon Line is the name of international boundary line between India and China. More specifically, it is between northeast region of India and Tibetan region of China. This line was demarcated by Henry McMahon at the 1914 Simla Convention. But China does not approve this McMahon line because according to China, Tibet was not an independent state. Therefore, it had no power to sign an agreement. In 1962, China attacked India and captured Aksai Chin area. The Indian administrative areas of Jammu and Kashmir from this Aksai Chin are separated by a line known to us as Line of Actual Control, or LAC, not LOC, LAC, the Line of Actual Control. It is an effective military boundary line between India and China. Then friends, total length between India-China border is 3,488 kilometers. Border sharing states Jammu and Kashmir, Arunachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim and Himachal Pradesh. McMahon line is the international boundary line between India and China, and this line was demarcated by Henry McMahon in the year 1914 at Simla Convention. The Line of Actual Control, or LAC, is an effective boundary line which separates the Indian administrative areas of Jammu and Kashmir from Aksai Chin. This line was drawn in 1962 after Indo-China War. Clear friends? India-Nepal border is an open international border between India and Nepal because the people of these both countries can cross the boundary line from any point. Nepal is the only country where Indian can go without passport and visa. Then you can understand the relationship between these countries. India has total 1,751 kilometers of land border with Nepal, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Sikkim and West Bengal. These 5 Indian states share their border with Nepal. Among of these, Uttar Pradesh shares the longest border with Nepal. Uttar Pradesh shares 651 kilometers border with Nepal. Then friends, total length of India-Nepal border is 1,751 kilometers, and border touching or border sharing states are Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Uttarakhand, Sikkim and West Bengal. India-Nepal border is an open international border between India and Nepal because the people of these both countries can cross the boundary line from any point, and Nepal is the only country where Indian can go without passport and visa. Bhutan. India-Bhutan border is an open international border just like India-Nepal border. There is 699 kilometers border length between these countries. 4 Indian states, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, West Bengal and Sikkim, share their international border with Bhutan. Assam shares longest border with Bhutan. It shares 267 kilometers border with Bhutan. And after that, Arunachal Pradesh, 217 kilometers border. Then friends, total border length between India and Bhutan is 699 kilometers. Border sharing states Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, West Bengal and Sikkim. India-Bhutan border is an open international border just like India-Nepal border. Bangladesh. Friends, India shares longest border with Bangladesh. There is 4,096.7 kilometers long international border between these two countries. It oftenly comes in various job exams that which country shares longest border with India. Then the answer will be Bangladesh. Border sharing states: West Bengal, Tripura, Meghalaya, Mizoram and Assam. And West Bengal shares longest border with Bangladesh. It has approximately 2,270 kilometers long international border with Bangladesh. And for your kind information, Eastern Indian state West Bengal has the longest international border. West Bengal has total 2,500 kilometers of international border with Bhutan, Bangladesh and Nepal. Then friends, India shares longest border with Bangladesh. Border length between India and Bangladesh is 4,096.7 kilometers. And border sharing states: West Bengal, Tripura, Meghalaya, Mizoram and Assam. Now, India-Myanmar border. Border length 1,643 kilometers and border sharing states: Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur and Mizoram. Arunachal Pradesh shares the longest border with Myanmar. It has total 520 kilometers border with Myanmar. And after that, Mizoram 510 kilometers. Then friends, total border length between India-Myanmar border is 1,643 kilometers and border sharing states: Arunachal Pradesh, Mizoram, Manipur and Nagaland. Friends, if you like this video, then please like and share it and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for being with me and watching this video. Thank you so much.